Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to my garage and my KTM 1290 Super Adventure S. And today I'm going to show you how this works. Now that is a key, but this is, it's not a keyless bike, but it's got a keyless ride. So the petrol tank is locked, there's no keyhole, and the dash, there's no key on the dash anywhere. So you put this in your pocket, and to start it, first of all you got to do is make sure the key's on you. You press this grey button here, so if I press that, you'll see the dash light up. But what also happens is the fuel tank will now unlock. There you go, see? And to turn it off, all you do is exactly the same again. When it's running or now, just come up to the little key button, press it, and away it goes. Now, also, the fuel filler cap still works. That stays unlocked for 30 seconds. After the 30 seconds, that will relock itself again. So, obviously, everything's shut down. That will lock in a minute. And it is as simple as that. Now what you do have to do, like, because this has a battery in it, and obviously the ignition picks up the code, which then lets it all this work, but obviously that battery can go flat. So what KTM have done down in here, don't know if you can see it, let's move that out of the way. There you go, this little emblem here. So what you do is you hold your key, if it's not working, to that, then come along and press the button, and that should work. So if you go out and you're pressing a button, it's not working, that's what you do to get yourself home. Put another battery in that key. So it's just a kind of a get you home safe kind of situation. Also with the keyless is your steering lock. So what you do to put your steering lock on, you hold the steering all the way to the side and press and hold that button. So if you listen, and there it is. So now the steering lock's on. Hear it click. So what you do to take your steering lock off is just activate your dashboard. See the orange? Well, orange light was flashing, I missed it, I do apologise. That's to tell you the steering lock's on. To turn it off, all you got to do is just turn the ignition on, which will then unlock that. So I press that, and there she goes. It's as simple as that.